Hey guys, it's January and that means block of the month. So we're making a brand new quilt this year, so I'm so excited, and I've really tailored it to be a beginner quilt. So all of the blocks this year are going to show you a new technique, show you very simple blocks to make. We're going to make 9 of them, and it's just going to be really fun. So we're going to start with a 6 strip block. All of these blocks are 6-inch blocks, okay? So this is what you need to cut. It's a 1.5 by 6.5 inch strip, and you need 6 of them, and we're going to sew them together. So the first thing you're going to do is grab 2 of these strips and place them right sides together once you've gotten those cut, just like that. And we're just going to sew it with our quilting foot, and here we go. Okay, so once you get those together, if you open it up, they're so cute and all together. We're going to add the next strip to this pink one and just lay it right sides together, just like that, and I'm going to sew the rest of these up. Okay, so that was the last one, and after each one I ironed it. So look how cute that ended up being. Depending on which way you want to go, you can even make it vertical. But I just want you to take a look at my back. So I haven't ironed this last one, but you'll notice that I've ironed them all down. So as long as your seams all go the same way, it doesn't matter which way they go. So just iron them all down so the seams are the same, and it will make all the lumps on the front exactly the same. So that's it for January block of the month. Make sure and check out all the rest of my tutorials, including block of the months from class years and other fabric tutorials, and we'll talk to you soon.